This video tutorial will show you how to add, delete, and rearrange the order of items in your drop-down lists. PDSpect has two main areas that have drop-downs: descriptions and notes. Let's take a look at working with description drop-downs. First, we'll talk about adding items. There are two different ways to add items to a description drop-down. The first is to let the program do it for you. So if you type in an answer into a description that's not already in a drop-down list, then the program is going to automatically ask you if you want to add it to the list. So let's go ahead and we're going to type in new item into the landscaping description. As we go to move on, the add to list option pops up, and if we click on yes and we click on our drop down, we now have the option for new item in the list. This is a great way to quickly build up your comments. The second way is when you click on your drop down list here, you see the option for edit list. Let's go ahead and click on edit list. This will bring up the edit list screen, and on this screen you can add in new items, delete items you don't want, and rearrange the order of the items in the drop down. Let's go ahead and add a new item in. So we're going to click on add new item, and we're going to type in another new item. We can delete something by simply selecting it and then clicking on delete selected item. So let's go ahead and delete out new item. It's now been removed. Down here we have the option for let program sort lists. So if this is checked, the program's automatically going to sort the order of the items in the list. The way it sorts it is it's going to put the three most commonly used items at the top, and then the rest of the items are going to be beneath that alphabetically. If you want complete control over the order of the list, all you have to do is uncheck this. Now to change the order, you click, then hold, and then drag the items to where you want. So now we have another new item first. Let's say we want professional second. We'll move that there second. Now that we've made all the changes, let's go ahead and we're going to click on close, and we're going to take another look at the drop down, and you'll see the changes we made are there. We have the new item we added in, and the order is the way we want. That's a look at working with description drop downs. Now let's take a look at note drop downs. So we'll click on our note for landscaping. Just like with descriptions, there's two ways to add notes to the drop down. The first one is to simply type in the comment you want, which we'll do here. So we'll type in, this is a new note, and then you click and you highlight it, and then you click on add selected text to library list. Now when we go to our notes drop down, you'll see that item is part of the drop down list. The second option is to click on the edit list button. This pulls up the same edit list screen that we took a look at with descriptions. You can add, delete, and rearrange the order of the note drop downs items the same way as we just did with descriptions. This concludes the tutorial on working with drop down lists on a PC.